Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we are going to be doing a single color mani, and when you see the color here in a moment, you will definitely understand why. So this dip powder right here is from Marullo Nail Co, and check out this beauty. It is called Meant to Be, and it's a really pretty fine matte glitter of pinks, purples. It is so pretty. There's even some white in there. This dip powder is so beautiful that it needs its own mani on its own, so we're not going to use any other colors today. So for today's mani, we are going to be using dip liquids from Risen Legacy, and let's just start dipping into this beautiful powder. And if you haven't checked out Marullo Nail Co, I will go ahead and link everything in the description box below. There's a Facebook group and Instagram, and there's some gorgeous new fun St. Patty's Day colors coming out that you do not want to miss, so definitely check those out after this video. Alright, so let's dive into this mani process, and then I will pop back in at the end.
To stay alive, but if I'm with you, I'll survive. So hold me close into the night, 'cause I need you to stay. You take me to paradise, that's why it's hard to wait. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. You should see the city lights tonight. I don't think they've ever burned this bright. Did you know when how everything would turn out? We learned to run, we learned to fight. Sooner or later, we can become strangers. Someday, somewhere, we can be new again. We can be anything that we wanted to be back then. Just wait, just wait. If I only knew how to make it true, we could write a new ending for you. You can pick and choose. All you gotta do is play the whole thing through. And if I only knew how to make it true, we could write a new ending for you. You can pick and choose. All you gotta do is play the whole thing through. I wanted to be saved before we lost our way. We were picture perfect, but below the surface, I wasn't okay. I made it look the way. I'm saying you deserved it. Sometimes it just happens that way. Sooner or later, we can become strangers. Someday, somewhere, we can be new again. We can be anything that we wanted to be back then. Just wait, just wait. If I only knew how to make it true, we could write a new ending for you. You can pick and choose. All you gotta do is play the whole thing through. And if I only knew how to make it true, we could write a new ending for you. You can pick and choose. All you gotta do is play the whole thing through. Too soon to know we were in trouble. Too late to make it go away. You always try too hard to hide it. You made it easier each day. If I only knew how to make it true, we could write a new ending for you. You can pick and choose. All you gotta do is play the whole thing through. And if I only knew how to make it true, we could write a new ending for you.
All right, we're just wrapping up the mani here, and I really like how this mani turned out. I think Meant to Be is such a fun, unique, beautiful powder, and it's giving me a lot of spring vibes right now. And for some reason, it has me thinking Barbie. Like if Barbie's nails were painted, this would be her color right here. It's so pretty, and it's even better in person. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload.